A stuck tournament bracket in Mistplay usually means the tournament data has not refreshed correctly. So the first thing to check is whether your app is actually showing the latest tournament state. There is no official Mistplay support information confirming one universal fix for a stuck bracket, so avoid random settings changes that could affect your account. By the end of this guide, you'll know which checks to make first, what to do if the bracket stays frozen, and when to contact Mistplay support. Start by completely closing Mistplay and reopening it. Don't just switch to another app and come back. Force close Mistplay, wait a moment, then launch it again and check the tournament section. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. A tournament bracket depends on updated server information, so a connection problem can make the displayed standings look frozen, even when your account is still connected. Then check whether Mistplay has an update available in your device's app store. Mistplay has released app updates containing bug fixes, so running an older version can matter when a feature stops behaving normally. If the bracket is still stuck, avoid repeatedly entering or leaving the tournament just to force an update. Instead, check whether your game activity and rewards are still being recorded elsewhere in the app. If your other Mistplay activity is updating normally while only the bracket is frozen, that points more toward a tournament display or synchronization issue. There is another useful step. Restart your phone after closing Mistplay. Then open Mistplay again, and check the tournament bracket before changing anything else. If your tournament position, points, or rewards are missing, take screenshots before contacting support. Capture the stuck bracket, your visible score, the tournament screen, and any relevant reward information. Those screenshots give support something specific to investigate, instead of just reporting that the bracket is broken. Mistplay's official support process is the right next step. If the problem continues after restarting the app, checking your connection, updating Mistplay, and restarting your device. Don't create multiple support requests for the same issue unless support specifically tells you to, because that can make an existing case harder to track. So the practical fix is simple. Refresh Mistplay properly. Verify your connection, update the app, restart your device, and document the problem if the bracket still doesn't move. If your score or rewards are also affected, contact Mistplay support with screenshots. If this fixed your stuck tournament bracket, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.